What's up guys? Nakakuha na dyan si Trine. Nakatuod na dyan siya. Where is the food? This is the food. Ay, here ba? Here, Trine. You want to eat some of your veggie for your enough of your resistance. So what's up guys? Today, as usual, we're going to eat our leafy vegetables because we need to be strong and confident enough for the world. Wala akong mga batos guys kaya nag-eskwela. So kita na lang sa kay. Ganahan ba to siya mag-cut sa veggie? You don't make it hold to your hand la. Don't be so stingy. Stingy spell stingy guys. And what is the meaning of stingy?